Good day. Welcome to another HandyDandyRight video. The focus of this video would be on electrical outlets. Okay, let's take a look here. So over time, some of these outlets get a little shaky and loose, and some of the screws get a little untied and loose. And sometimes when you try to plug things into it, it's kind of hard to unplug or whatever the case is, but in my opinion, you should never leave it shaky like that. So we'll look into how to fix that. So first, what you want to do is have something to test with. So I use this little lamp as a tester before I turn the breaker off, and that will indicate if I hit the right breaker. So let's take a look here. And now we can see there we hit the right breaker. So we're good to start working on it. There's no electricity. So you need for this case, I'm using a Phillips screwdriver, and we'll just untie, take off the cover, put that aside, and then you'll notice that there's two screws, one at the top and one at the bottom. So some of them tend to get a little loose over time, or sometimes I've seen cases where incorrect screws have been put in, and that's why they don't tie up nicely. They don't get nice and sturdy. So what you want to do is just tighten it up. It's pretty simple, straightforward. So just kind of balance it out, a little bit at the top, a little bit at the bottom, go back and forth until you feel it gets tighter. Yeah, there we go. Then you'll notice that that's nice and secure now. And you put the cover back on. Alright, make sure it's straight. Nice and tight. And there we go. And now we're good to go. And that covers our HandyDandyRight video for electrical outlets. Thank you for watching. All the best.